When people think of groundbreaking inventions, they often picture a lone genius with a wild idea. But what if I told you the greatest inventor of all is nature itself? Do you agree? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Imagine using nanotechnology inspired by plants to create an armor that protects medical implants. Sounds unbelievable, right? That's exactly what I thought until I discovered this amazing research. The study, titled Bionic Nano-Coating of Prosthetic Grafts Significantly Reduces Bacterial Growth, was published in the prestigious journal ACS Applied Materials Interfaces. The geniuses behind this astonishing paper are Simon Pecha, Lucas Reuter, Shahabuddin Oda, Johannes Peterson, Christian Parman, Pinar Atar Celik, Amit Chabuk, Hermann Reichensperner, and Yalin Yildirim. Now, are you ready to see how a leaf's secret can transform healthcare? Let's dive in. Now, the problem with most medical implants is that bacteria stick to them, forming small layers called biofilms, similar to the plaque that builds up on your teeth. Just like dental plaque, these biofilms are tough to remove and can cause infections in patients, leading to longer hospital stays. So, picture this. It's 1997, and two German scientists named Wilhelm Barthelot and Christoph Nienhuys are exploring the mysteries of the lotus leaf. What they discovered was nothing short of extraordinary. They noticed that the lotus leaf had a magical ability to clean itself, something incredibly unique. Intrigued, they dug deeper and found that the secret lay in the leaf's nanoscale structures. Imagine tiny spikes on a raincoat. These microscopic bumps created a rough surface that prevented water and dirt from sticking. Instead, water droplets would roll off the leaf, taking any dirt particles along for the ride and leaving the leaf spotless. It was nature's own ingenious self-cleaning system. The scientists from the paper we're looking at today took inspiration from this discovery. They wondered, what if we could create tiny bumps on the surface of medical implants? Would it prevent bacteria from attaching and causing infections? They rolled up their sleeves and got to work. To mimic the nanostructures found on lotus leaves, they coated vascular prostheses with silicon dioxide nanoparticles. This created a surface similar to a non-stick frying pan, preventing bacteria from attaching. And the results were incredible. These coated prostheses had 97% fewer bacteria compared to the uncoated ones. To put it into perspective, imagine a concert hall with 100 people. Without the coating, all 100 people could get the infection. But with the coating, only 3 people would, greatly reducing the risk of infections. Pretty amazing, right? How can such a simple coating have such a big effect? If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to join the team and watch BioByte conquer YouTube.